Shelley from Frugal Family Home, and today I have an easy dessert recipe for you. This recipe is so easy that even if you consider yourself not able to bake, you can make this recipe. It's a wonderful recipe with layers of apples and bread. I know it sounds kind of weird, but it is so good. And it has an odd name too. It's called Apple Brown Betty. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, we're just going to take our apple and we're going to peel it. And now our apple is peeled, we're going to core it and slice it. So to start coring it, I take a melon baller and I scoop the top off and go and scoop the bottom just like that. Then just cut it in half just like that and use the melon baller to scoop that out and that. And now the apple's cored, so let's slice it. And we're just slicing these thinly. And there's our apples sliced and ready to go. Okay, and now we have our bread and we're just going to cube it up. You can tear it, but I prefer to cube it. And you just want to cut it up this direction and then turn it and cut it again. And I use whole wheat sandwich bread for this, but a lot of people like white bread. And so we're just going to cube up all the bread. Okay, so here we have our seasonings. We have our cinnamon, our nutmeg, and our ginger. And we're just going to mix them together. And this is our seasoning or spice mix that we're going to mix in with the Apple Brown Betty to make it taste really great. And now we have some melted butter here that we're going to put on top of our breadcrumbs. Give it a stir. And now that we have that mixed in, we're going to get ready to assemble our Apple Brown Betty. First we add half of the apples, then we add a third of the sugar, then we add half of the breadcrumbs, and then we sprinkle it with half of the spices, and then we repeat the layers again. Okay, we add more apples, another 1/3 of the sugar, the rest of the breadcrumbs go on, and we're going to sprinkle on the rest of the spices. And now we're going to add the last of the brown sugar and just sprinkle it around the top. Make sure to tuck some in on the edges there too. Now our recipe is all assembled. We're going to take this and cover it and put it in the oven and bake for at 375 for 30 to 40 minutes. But during the last 5 minutes, we're going to uncover it so it can get a little brown and crisp on top. And here's our completed Brown Betty. It shrunk up a little bit and it smells delicious. And here it is. So yummy and good. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make the Apple Brown Betty recipe. A funny name, but a really easy recipe to make. And it's so delicious too. Now, if you'd like the printable recipe, look for the link in the description. And if you don't subscribe to our channel yet, I would love to have you subscribe, so just click the subscribe button. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.